Hello everyone, today we will introduce the Manage Style function of the LiDAR 360 MLS plugin in CAD. This function allows you to batch import or export styles and supports operations such as renaming and deleting imported styles. Note, style files must include a DWG format file and a PNG file with the same name in order to be imported. Click the Manage Style button to open the Style List dialog. First, let's introduce the process of importing styles. Click the Import Style button and select the DWG style file you want to import. The open style file will be loaded into the import list. Check the Cover option to overwrite any existing style file with the same name in the style library. Check the Skip option to skip the import of any style file with the same name in the style library. Here, you can perform operations like Select All, Invert, and Clear for the imported styles. Click OK to complete the import. You can also rename an imported style. Select the style you want to rename, click the Rename button, enter a new name, and click OK to confirm. To delete a style, select the style and click the Delete button to remove it. Next, let's introduce the process of exporting styles. Click the Export Style button to open the export interface. Select the styles you want to export, and you can export the selected style files from the style library to a specified directory. If a file with the same name already exists in the export directory, you can check the Cover option to overwrite the existing file. If you check the Skip option, the files with the same name will be skipped and not exported. Finally, click OK to export the selected styles. This concludes the introduction to the Manage Style function. Thank you for watching.